Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to introduce our new product. It's called CPC Shield. Looks like this. But what is the CPC? It's Central Gateway Module. This guy over here. This guy is responsible for all your communications in a Sprinter van. Imagine that the Sprinter van is like an internet, right? The engine computer communicates with the transmission computer. Transmission computer communicates with the multimedia computer, and so on. So this guy is your server. All those communication, high-speed communications, are happening through this computer, together with our ignition module. They are literally neighbors, and all the communications are happening to both those two guys. And as you see here, just like the EIS, this module is not protected from water damage whatsoever in any possible way. And together with the EIS, it has those thin needles that open when any rust happens. They're just fell off, and you're losing the communication, have lots of sort of different problems. Again, together with the EIS, the replacement, this guy costs roughly around $2,000. This guy will cost you around $1,000, maybe $1,500. But again, money is not the biggest problem. The biggest problem is time. Is you might be stranded in the middle of nowhere, and if it's a business vehicle, you can't use it because you need to put it into the dealership, and so on and so on. That's why we developed the ignition protection, and we developed those CPC protection. This one is a little bit simpler because it just covers the module towards the firewall and just works as a shield, because the module itself is sitting on the firewall like this. The wiring goes underneath. There's no risk of water traveling through the wires like with the EIS module. That's why the only thing that we need to protect is to getting water from top of the module, and that's why our module, our cover, sits like this towards the firewall, so none of the water can get inside connectors. Right here, I already took the panel out, the pillar, just to show you where that module is located and how easy it is to put that cover on. And I'll show you the EIS already installed there. So let's just go there. This guy over here is your CPC Central Gateway module, located in a bracket right on the firewall. And his neighbor, the EIS that I told you, the ignition module, it's already protected because it's sitting in our shield together with the water shield here on top. Protecting the connectors and the wiring from any water getting inside. What we're gonna do right now, we're gonna install our cover, and I'll show you how quickly and easy you can do it. The cover itself has those internal support ribs here on top, at the bottom, and on the side. All you need is just to slide that cover from the side. From the side, right on top of the bracket on the CPC module, like this. That's it. Done deal. Quick, easy, reliable, 100% protection from water intrusion getting into the module. And the same over here, the neighbor. Both guys are protected. So even if any water damage will happen, it's just going to be on here in connectors, but not on the modules. Again, it's a precautious measure. I'm not saying that your van will have that water damage tomorrow, but there have been a lot of cases where those modules have been damaged by water, so it's better be safe than sorry. And here in Sprinter Armor, guys, I'm trying to develop the products that will work and that are beneficial for you, not just a marketing waste of money. with 12 years of solid experience working only on the Sprinter Vans and building different projects, I have a little bit of experience, and we're dedicated here at Sprinter Armor to deliver products that will make ownership of the Sprinter Van a little bit easier and more comfortable. You know, when it comes to the armrest or the ignition shield or multiple other products that are in my mind but will be delivered soon. Anyways, if you have any comments, questions, feel free to reach me out. I'll see you on the road. By the way, if you want to get that CPC cover, we're going to bundle them together with the EIS with a 10% discount using the code down below in the link. So feel free to go on our online store, sprinterarmor.com, get that protection for your van, and check our other products. Like I said, see you on the road. Stay tuned.